Can you fit 50 grams of protein into 200 calories, 200-ish? The answer is yes. It's one of my new, absolutely favorite ways to get more protein in my life. Do you need that much protein? Well, that's an ongoing question and debate between Peter Attia and Walter Longa. I had it covered before. But sometimes you just need protein to rebuild after, let's say, heavy bout of resistance training. Or in my case, I just finished 1 week of water fast and deloading, so right now I'm just primed to rebuild that muscle mass. And for that you need protein, and getting enough protein is surprisingly hard. So I have only 2 major ingredients here, which I'm going to use, and a couple optional ones to make it even healthier, better, however you call it. And the first one is RYSE Protein powder. It has 25 grams of protein per scoop. And by itself it's pretty good, if a little bit too sweet for my taste, but we're going to compensate for that. So having about a scoop, maybe a little more here, and it's 130 calories per scoop. It doesn't have any aftertaste, which is great, but as I said, it can be a little sweet. Another one, and you can get whatever brand you like, is just egg whites. And you probably all know about adding a little bit of chocolate to egg whites cartoon and just drinking it straight. It kind of tastes yucky. But we're going to put it into a blender here. And it has 25 calories per 1 serving for 5 grams of protein. So I'm going to put a half. I already used 1/2, but that's another half here. And that's your main ingredients. The only thing is, when you blend it, it can get hot. So I'm going to add a few cubes of ice there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it might be not enough liquid, so whoa. I'm going to have some remains of my morning coffee, just for extra liquid. That's optional, you don't have to. And I'm using creatine because I exercise and it's also good for your brain. So 5 grams of creatine. Again, this is optional. All the main ingredients are already there. And another option to add is any kind of cacao. This is clean cacao with a lot of flavonoids and with almost no heavy metals. So it's one of my favorites also. And we mix it all up like that. And now we're getting a little bit fancy. I have here like 2 tablespoons of cashew milk, which will add a lot of creaminess, and it has no saturated fat almost, so it's kind of good fat to balance all that protein. And we added fiber in the form of cacao. And I have a separate video how to make that cashew milk in minutes as well. If you want to check it out later. So let's mix it all up. We blend it for 30 seconds. And you can see how those egg whites start to expand a little. Here we go, nice egg erection. And you probably need to zoom in on this. Let me get the camera. And you absolutely have to try it at least once. It's so good. It's hard to believe how good it is. And if you want to check that cashew milk recipe, I have a special video just for you here. Check it out next. Aging is bad, living is smart, and this is one smart of a drink. See you there.